In this video, we will show you how to add phone number in Google account. To add phone number in Google account, you need to sign in on myaccount.google.com like this. Okay, this is the URL, myaccount.google.com, and you hit enter. Okay, in here you can add phone number with select personal info here. I will blur later for privacy. And after you click personal info, you can see in here there is a phone number. You can click on your phone number here. Okay, and you can click this arrow, and you can click this pencil icon to edit the phone number, and you can update your phone number here. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how to add phone number in Google account. Thanks for watching.